right, here we are. It is the day before hiking and we stopped at Waffle House for breakfast. Miranda and Benji right there. Benji is still a little asleep. Obviously you can tell that because of his sunglasses on. Either that or he's practicing for the day he's a movie star. But we're at the Waffle House. Miranda's driving the car. And Benji is here in the back, and he is in his normal state right now. He's laying down with a blanket. How you feel about your driving?
Yeah.
All right.
It's okay.
All right. We are in Cherokee, and we're just about ready to go into Smoky Mountain National Park. And Miranda has driven the last 45 minutes.
Hey,
So
geese.
good job.
Geese.
All right, we did it. Miranda drove us into the Smoky Mountain National Park, and Benji's in the back, checking everything out through the window.
It smells good. It smells like Mother Nature. Ooh, turkeys.
Oh, there goes Turkey.
It's me.
So what'd you say there, Benji? The air smells good?
It smells so fresh.
It does. That's the mountains. All right, we're here. We're at the visitor center. Miranda found a nice spot to sit on this rock over here, and Benji found rocks to throw. So he's having a good time.
I'm gonna get a big rock.
All right, we're Clingmans.
I'm gonna get a picture of it.
We're at Clingmans Dome.
Put right here. Get me.
Got my picture. It's gonna be
What you looking at, Miranda?
Tiff.
Smile and point. Miranda has been saying all she wanted to do was find some taffy spinning, and we found taffy spinning. Happy?
Yeah.
All right, so here we are. It's breakfast time at Crockett's breakfast camp. And you can see what Benji has over here. You can eat all that, sir?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, and Miranda's has a nice omelet over there. Vegetarian. It's going to be good. And you can see what I have right here. This is a lot of food. This is how you start a hike. About 11 or so. All right, so here we are. We're Newfound Gap. We got all our gear on, and we are going in. So we had a little bit of a pack emergency this morning, so we got that taken care of. And it's about 11:15, and we got about a 5-mile hike which is going to be 5 hours. So here we go.
Okay.
Okay, Miranda, right behind him. And here we go. Hey, let me go.
What's up?
All right, so there's Miranda over there. We've been hiking about just about 30 minutes. About we're high altitude. We just went up a bit of an incline, and so we stopped to get a little bit of water. There's Benji down here. How you doing, sir? Good. Good. That's the word of the day. Good right now. So right now you can see it's almost 12 o'clock. I'm estimating that we're going to get to the campsite.
Around 4 or 5.
Yeah, somewhere between 4 and 5 exactly. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work our way on down the trail a little bit more. Benji's getting a picture down the trail. It's very detailed photographer. How we doing? You good? All right. Good job. All right, so here we are. We're 1.3 miles in. 1.7 miles in. Thanks, guys. And we found a little grassy area for a quick little break right here. So Benji's over there. He's kind of all chilled out with the sunglasses on. There's Miranda. And we met this guy here, Cosmic Traveler. So he actually came just from where we're going. But where we're going next is we're heading right down that trail. But we're making such good use of time right now, we're just going to take a quick break. Maybe. Okay, here we are. We made it to the shelter. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, and there's Benji over there taking a shortcut. All right, let's go check it out. There's the shelter over there. Okay, so we're in the shelter. I'm getting everything set up. Miranda's putting her pack down. What's up, Benji? He's not sure. Okay, there. We got some other thru hikers just showed up, and Miranda's starting to get her pack out too. There's a deer right over here. He's really not afraid. All right, what you got here?
Got some tea.
He's a master chef right now. He has mastered boiling water on the Appalachian Trail.
Yeah.
Pretty hard, isn't it?
Good.
Yeah, there's like rules and can't leave an open flame and you know. Awesome.
I'm making food.
Show me what you're doing.
I'm boiling water.
So here we are in the sun eating our dinner. So what do you think, Miranda?
It's good.
Tell me what you ate.
What's it called? Indian vegetable korma.
Ah, we got some good vegetarian food. Some good vegetarian food. You hit the spot? You gonna finish it all?
I don't know actually.
Okay. Well, if we don't finish it all, we'll have to do something.
Yeah, this is 2 servings. It might be too much.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's go.
Okay, well here we are on the trail. It's day 2, and we left Mount Collins. We're on our way to Clingmans Dome. We're gonna try to get cell signal there. Gonna make a phone call. Trail's been a little up and down. Benji's behind us right now. He thought he had a leak in his pack. He wasn't quite sure, so he stopped. It all looked good. He's repacking his pack, and he should be catching up to us any minute. That kid is fast. Let me tell you. He probably goes 2 times. Maybe 2.5 times faster than me. So he is quick. So we expect to be to Clingmans Dome where we can get a signal probably in about 2 hours, maybe a little bit more. But we're just moving steady down the trail. Just keep going, brother. Okay. Clingmans Dome is where we stop.
Yeah.
There's Benji. He can't wait for us. He's just too fast. Whew. There's Miranda. Here we are. Benji is going, I am not kidding you, either 2 or 2.5 times faster than us. So he's going to head on up to Clingmans Dome.
All right. See ya. Hi. How far is Clingmans Dome from here? Let's get this bread.